This series of videos has been filmed in an IATF 16949 certified supplier who is involved in the manufacture of a wide range of rivets used for automotive and non-automotive applications. They also design and manufacture equipment used in rivet insertion. The video shows extract of simulated IATF 16949 audits focused on the organization's quality management system processes. Watch this video and see if the auditor is undertaking the audit effectively. As always, we welcome feedback and comments.
Yeah, so we're in your communication room. Can you tell me how and when this is used?
So we have a 9 o'clock meeting every morning for each department. We start off with safety and environment. If there's any issues, we discuss those. And then we'll go through each department. We'll talk about any issues that they may have, any kind of flags that they need, or any support they might need from other departments. So in here we have maintenance, facilities, quality as well. So obviously we just discuss any issues.
Great. And so safety, we're here. Can you tell me how that is integrated into the IATF audits internally?
Yeah, so in an internal audit, we've integrated safety and environment into the IATF audit, so it's a combined audit. So obviously we're looking at the work instructions, so making sure that anything that's detailed within the work instruction that the operators are carrying out, making sure that they're wearing the right PPE, the right specification of PPE, where they can find out safety information within the process. And the same for environment as well, so where they put their waste, and what to do if there's an emergency as well.
Good, good. And I see, so it looks like you're good the first 6 days of the month. You're doing well so far.
Yeah.
So how are safety issues communicated? And
so if there's a safety issue, then we'll raise a safety alert, and we'll do a very quick investigation. I say raise a safety alert within that department, and then that will be communicated through to all the staff, detailing what the issue is, what we found, what the cause of the issue, and any containment action that we need to put in. And then that will again be communicated throughout, not just for that department, but also throughout the business, using the Teams channels and stuff like that. But we'll also discuss it in this 9 o'clock room as well, if there's an issue.
And that will feed documents that need to be updated, or?
Yeah. So part of the investigation process in the software that we use, we would detail and have a look. If we need to review the risk assessment, review the work instruction, and then obviously we'll go on to a revision process for that, and then obviously feeding that down, getting authorization from the relevant parties. Mm-hmm.
Very good. Thank you.
In this audit, the auditor is auditing the organization's daily communication process. Firstly, the auditor body language is important in any audit. In this example, the auditor seemed to be disinterested, often with hands in his pockets, and also having no method for recording any objective evidence related to the discussions. Like many organizations in the automotive supply chain, the auditee explains that they operate an integrated management system, integrating quality, safety, and environmental controls into one system. Why this is perfectly acceptable and integrated audits are allowed, for IATF 16949, the auditor must ensure that the integrated system and the processes meet all of the applicable requirements in IATF 16949. In IATF 16949, there is some overlap between quality, environment, and health and safety. Let's have a look at safety first. In requirement 8.5.1.2, standardized work, operator instructions, and visual standards, it states, the standardized work documents shall also include rules for operator safety. This can be verified when auditing the manufacturing processes, but also the effectiveness of the definition of the rules for operator safety can be verified by looking at performance data related to safety. For environment, IATF 16949 requirement 8.2.2.1 determination of the requirements for product and services, states these requirements shall include recycling, environmental impact, and the characteristics identified as a result of the organization's knowledge of the product and the manufacturing process. Compliance to ISO 9001, section 8.2.2, item A, shall include but not limited to the following: all applicable government, safety and environmental regulations related to the acquisition, storage, handling, recycling, elimination or disposal of materials. Safety and environment are also mentioned in 8.3.3.1 in IATF, product design input, which would be applicable to product design responsible organization. This states that the product design input shall include targets for conformity to product requirements, including preservation, reliability, durability, serviceability, health and safety, environmental, development timing, and cost. In summary, there is overlap between IATF 16949 and safety and the environment, but the bias is focused on ensuring quality of products or materials manufactured for the use in automotive applications. In particular, in third-party IATF 16949 audits, the auditors need to ensure they stay within the IATF scope, and they do not use valuable auditing time on auditing compliance with other standards.